Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that has been making waves in the investment community, the world of AI stocks. As artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize industries, the stock market is buzzing with opportunities. While Nvidia has long been a frontrunner in this space, it's essential to explore other companies that are also making significant strides in AI technology. The AI stock market landscape is vast and dynamic, with numerous players emerging to challenge the status quo. Companies are innovating at an unprecedented pace, and some may even offer better growth potential than Nvidia. This is why it's crucial to look beyond the obvious choices and consider alternatives that could yield impressive returns. In this video, we will provide you with insights into 5 AI stocks that may just be better investments than Nvidia. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding these alternatives can help you diversify your portfolio and capitalize on the booming AI sector. So, stick around as we uncover these potentially lucrative opportunities that could reshape your investment strategy. Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, is rapidly emerging as a formidable competitor in the AI sector thanks to its innovative chip technology. AMD has developed cutting-edge processors and graphics cards that are specifically designed to handle the complex computations required for AI applications. Their EPIC and Ryzen series chips are not only powerful but also energy efficient, making them ideal for data centers and AI workloads. Recently, AMD has forged strategic partnerships with leading tech companies to enhance its AI capabilities. Collaborations with firms like Microsoft and Google have allowed AMD to integrate its technology into cloud computing platforms, enabling faster and more efficient AI processing. These partnerships are crucial as they position AMD to capitalize on the growing demand for AI solutions across various industries. When comparing AMD's growth potential to Nvidia's market position, it's clear that AMD is on an upward trajectory. While Nvidia has dominated the GPU market, AMD's competitive pricing and innovative technology are attracting attention from businesses looking for cost-effective alternatives. As AI continues to expand, AMD's ability to deliver high-performance solutions at competitive prices could lead to significant market share gains, making it a stock worth considering for investors looking to diversify their portfolios in the AI space. Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google, is at the forefront of advancements in AI and machine learning, making it a compelling stock to consider. Google has launched numerous AI initiatives that are transforming industries ranging from healthcare to finance. For instance, their AI-driven tools are enhancing data analysis, improving customer service through chatbots, and even aiding in medical diagnostics. These innovations not only streamline operations but also create new revenue streams for businesses. Financially, Alphabet is a powerhouse with a robust balance sheet and consistent revenue growth. The company's diverse portfolio, which includes advertising, cloud computing, and hardware, provides a solid foundation for continued expansion. As AI technology becomes increasingly integral to business operations, Alphabet's investments in this area position it well for future growth. Key products like Google Cloud AI and TensorFlow are prime examples of Alphabet's commitment to AI. Google Cloud AI offers businesses powerful tools to harness machine learning capabilities, while TensorFlow, an open-source platform, has become a standard for developing AI applications. With these offerings, Alphabet is not only driving innovation, but also establishing itself as a leader in the AI space, making it an attractive option for investors looking to tap into the future of technology. Microsoft Corporation, MSFT, is making significant strides in the AI landscape, positioning itself as a key player in this rapidly evolving sector. The company has developed a range of AI-driven products and services, with Azure AI being a standout offering. Azure AI provides businesses with powerful tools to build, deploy, and manage AI applications, enabling them to harness the full potential of machine learning and data analytics. This platform not only enhances operational efficiency, but also drives innovation across various industries. In addition to its robust product offerings, Microsoft has made strategic acquisitions to bolster its AI capabilities. The acquisition of companies like Nuance Communications, known for its AI-driven healthcare solutions, has allowed Microsoft to expand its reach into specialized markets. These acquisitions not only enhance Microsoft's technology stack, but also provide access to valuable expertise and customer bases. When comparing Microsoft's market performance with Nvidia's, it's evident that both companies are thriving, albeit in different ways. While Nvidia has dominated the GPU market, Microsoft's diversified approach, combining cloud services with AI, positions it for sustained growth. As businesses increasingly adopt AI technologies, Microsoft's investments and strategic moves could lead to significant market share gains, making it a compelling option for investors looking to capitalize on the AI revolution. Palantir Technologies, PLTR, is carving out a unique niche in the AI and data analytics landscape, making it a stock worth examining. The company's software solutions, such as Palantir Foundry and Palantir Gotham, leverage advanced AI algorithms to transform vast amounts of data into actionable insights. By integrating machine learning capabilities, Palantir enables organizations to analyze complex datasets, identify patterns, and make data-driven decisions that enhance operational efficiency and strategic planning. Palantir has established strong partnerships across both government and commercial sectors, which significantly bolster its market presence. The company works closely with various government agencies, providing critical data analytics solutions for national security and intelligence operations. Additionally, Palantir has expanded its footprint in the commercial sector, collaborating with major corporations in industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. These partnerships not only validate Palantir's technology, but also open doors to new revenue streams. Looking at Palantir's growth trajectory, the company has shown impressive revenue growth and a commitment to expanding its offerings. As organizations increasingly recognize the importance of data analytics and AI, Palantir's innovative solutions position it well for future market potential. With a focus on scalability and adaptability, Palantir Technologies is poised to become a significant player in the AI-driven data analytics space. Salesforce.com Inc. CRM is revolutionizing customer relationship management CRM through the integration of artificial intelligence, making it a noteworthy stock to consider. One of the standout features of Salesforce's platform is Einstein Analytics, which leverages AI to provide users with deep insights into customer data. This powerful tool enables businesses to analyze trends, predict customer behavior, and personalize interactions, ultimately enhancing the overall customer experience. The importance of AI in CRM cannot be overstated. By automating routine tasks and providing actionable insights, AI allows sales and marketing teams to focus on building relationships rather than getting bogged down in data management. This leads to improved customer satisfaction and loyalty, which are critical for long-term business success. When comparing Salesforce's growth and innovation to Nvidia's offerings, it's clear that both companies are leaders in their respective fields. While Nvidia excels in graphics processing and AI hardware, Salesforce is at the forefront of applying AI to enhance business operations. Salesforce's continuous innovation in AI-driven CRM solutions positions it for sustained growth in a competitive market. As businesses increasingly seek to leverage AI for better customer engagement, Salesforce's offerings are likely to see significant demand, making it an attractive investment opportunity in the tech sector. In this video, we explored 5 promising AI stocks that serve as strong alternatives to Nvidia. We discussed Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, and its innovative chip technology, which positions it well in the AI sector. We also highlighted Alphabet Inc., Google, and its advancements in AI through products like Google Cloud AI and TensorFlow. Microsoft Corporation, MSFT, was examined for its strategic investments in AI technologies, while Palantir Technologies, PLTR, showcased its unique approach to data analytics. Finally, we looked at Salesforce.com Inc., CRM, and its integration of AI into CRM solutions, enhancing customer relationships. Each of these companies presents significant growth potential and innovative solutions that could diversify your investment portfolio beyond Nvidia. As the AI landscape continues to evolve, considering these alternatives may provide you with lucrative opportunities. Please look at this video's description for links to AI tools and courses. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and fellow investors who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can navigate the exciting world of AI investments and make informed decisions for a prosperous future. Thanks for watching.